Hello my dear friends, whatever we eat, we have to digest it in a way that helps us to gain more muscles, and does not going to store in form of fat, right?
You're goddamn right.
Today I will tell you 5 ways that will help you to boost hormones that help in weight loss.
I need answers.
There are many fat-burning hormones we have in our body like adiponectin, irisin, adrenaline, glucagon, epinephrine and our human body growth hormone. So this hormone helps to boost the metabolism, increase immunity level, regulate glucose and appetite level in our body, and which will also help you to burn your extra fat as well. Watch the entire video to learn about the 5 tricks that can help you to boost such kinds of hormones, and you can lose weight.
That's exactly what I wanted.
And welcome to the 7-Minute Health Channel.
Well, we are glad you're here.
Following trick number 1, add a balanced diet. This is one of the most important factors that can affect boosting your weight loss hormones. You have to consume macro and micronutrients in your diet to stay healthy. The macronutrients are fat, carbohydrates, protein and micronutrients included vitamin A, B12, zinc, magnesium, iron.
How many did you eat?
And women should try to add iron to their diet, which will help them to lose weight faster. So you need to focus that you are eating a balanced diet in your routine.
I will do it.
Eating a balanced diet will surely help you to boost your weight loss hormones. Following trick number 2, high-intensity interval training, HIIT. This workout helps to increase the level of human growth hormone, HGH. As per the studies, HIIT workout helps to increase the level of HGH up to 400 to 450%.
Okay.
And HGH helps to increase the level of calories burning in our body. This is how you can stay fit and healthy, and your body is going to burn additional fat than a regular workout. If you are just a beginner, then you can do approx 10 minutes of HIIT at the initial level, and experts do approx 20 minutes of this workout.
I understand.
So try to add HIIT training for yourself and you will increase the level of fat-burning hormones. This training helps in the weight loss journey as well, and helps to lose extra fat from the body. If you are facing the issue to lose weight, then I have a solution for you.
Come up with real solutions to my problems.
I strongly recommend you to watch my video why you are not losing weight. I have explained 4 reasons why people don't lose weight. Just click on the I button which popped up above to watch that video. Following trick number 3, eat seasonal and local food. Rather than eating imported food or fruit, I recommend you to eat local and fresh fruits. The reason is whenever you are trying to buy the imported food which keeps fresh by adding preservatives. So having preservative food may harm your health, and even your body is not going to get good health from that food. Eating local and fresh fruits can be more beneficial because it gives your body positive energy. For example, if you're staying in the United States and looking to eat fruit which produce in an Asian country, then it's not fresh when you are eating. There are preservatives added to keep it fresh. So this is how eating local fresh food can help you to increase hormones which helps in fat burning. Following trick number 4, concentrate on your digestion. What, how and when we are eating, that matters a lot. If you try to eat your last meal of the day before sleeping at least 2 to 3 hours, then it is good for you. And if you are eating your food by concentrating on it, rather than focus on speaking to someone or watching TV. So your brain will give a signal to your body how much you are eating, and you won't eat excess food. And try to avoid junk food from your meal. This is how you can boost your weight loss hormones, and your body is going to burn fat fast. Following trick number 5, add one more. You should always be ready to take one more step if you are willing to boost your fat loss hormones. For example, normally you do 15 push-ups, then give a challenge in your mind to do 5 more push-ups and try to complete 20.
Sounds like an adventure. I'm in.
So whenever you give a challenge to yourself, your body is going to increase the adrenaline hormone, which helps to burn your fat. And due to you are taking challenge, or physical activity helps in burning fat as well. You should always be ready to take the challenge for a workout or physical activity. This is how you can boost the level of weight loss hormones. I hope the detail which I provided to you will help you out to boost your fat burning hormones.
Obviously.
And you will lose weight as fast as possible. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends.
Hey, how you doing?
Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe to our channel to get more weight loss and health relating information. There are more weight loss videos are coming soon, so subscribe to us now.
Yes, I will do that.
Follow us on Instagram if you want to stay connected with us. Thank you for watching this video. Stay happy and healthy. See you soon. Bye.